guys, welcome. All right, well, just enjoy. I'm just going to be playing. I hope you have a beautiful day, you guys. I'll try to, thank you, Thomas. I'll try and look over once in a while. I'll start with the Celine. That's the metallic line, the Artistic Vivations. And it is also scented jasmine. Just absolutely delicious smelling. Okay, that's a ton. I didn't see it coming out. Ooh, he's cranking it on this one. You never know what you're going to hear with Ed. He goes all different types of music. I love it. I'm going to add a little color to this. I'm going to add some turquoise. Oh, thank you. Thanks for the gifts, you guys. The hearts, the love. Make it exciting. That's Zia Teal, one of my faves. It's beautiful. It's water. Just by bobbing it along, just decide where my pool of water is right here. It's beautiful music to paint with. Thank you, Ed. Know that the face that goes with the music and really know his spirit. Now this is magical, so it doesn't absolutely have to make sense. Oosh, that came out a lot. Sorry, I'm not looking, guys. I can't show you my face. Shannon Romero, welcome, sweetheart. Okay, give Holly hugs and love, and we're still praying. Thank you. All right, so I'm going to stop on this and we'll start working on this deer ornament. It's ceramic. Okay. Better. Just acrylic gesso. Just gesso. White unicorn spit and a little black. Just to give me some color. Change to purple trees. There we go. That's what I needed. Painting music. Add a little more gesso over here. And kind of stiffen this area up a little bit. The gesso will add a little bit of a thickness. And I like that. It'll give you slight texture. But you You really don't notice it on acrylics, but on unicorn spit painting, you really do. I do. Just let some water flow. Just wipe. Big rocks. That's a good rock.